Assalamu alaikum. In this video, we will discuss about 8 things you should not do during Ramadan. Things not to do in Ramadan. Having suhoor too early. Do not take suhoor too early. Try to delay it and have it just before Fajr. The Prophet ﷺ said, "My ummah will continue to be upon good for as long as they hasten to break the fast and delay the pre-dawn meal." Delaying the breaking of fast. Don't delay or make it too late to break the fast. When it's time to break your fast, be quick to break it. Reading Quran too fast. There are people who read Quran too fast. The same thing happens in the Taraweeh as well. Don't do that. Go slow and read it beautifully. Even if you are able to read less, no problem. We are not in a competition. Quality is better than the quantity. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala says, recite the Quran in slow measured rhythmic tunes. Negligence in Taraweeh. In the Taraweeh, the people don't pay much attention to the words of the Quran. Rather, they keep on waiting for the Imam to go to Ruku. Don't do that. Listen to the words of the Quran attentively. Try to feel them. Even if you can't understand them, still your heart would feel at ease. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala says, when the Quran is recited, then listen to it and pay attention that you may receive mercy. Lavish iftar parties. When you break your fast, don't be too lavish in having different kinds of meals which make you feel lazy to pray Maghrib, Isha and Taraweeh. Be moderate and don't be too extravagant. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala says in Quran, eat and drink but be not excessive. Indeed, He lacks not those who commit excess. Being selfish. Ramadan is not about only looking after yourself. You should also try to look for others and help them break their fast. The Prophet ﷺ said, whoever helps break the fast of a fasting person, he will have the same reward as him without decreasing anything from the reward of a fasting person. Getting angry and furious. When you are fasting, avoid getting angry and furious. Give up your bad speech and do not quarrel with anyone. The Prophet ﷺ said, when one of you gets up in the morning for fasting, he should not use bad language or behave foolishly, and if anyone abuses him or fights with him, he should say twice, indeed, I am fasting. Whoever does not give up forced speech and evil actions, Allah is not in need of his leaving his food and drink. That is, Allah will not accept his fasting. Staying awake in night. There are people who remain awake and do not sleep the whole night, and they spend their Ramadan nights by chatting with their friends and indulge in other entertainments. Then they go to sleep after Suhoor and Fajr. And during the day, they waste most of the time by sleeping. You should not do that.